So let's go in here now, and under scholarship software login from our website College Coaching Network, you'll click in here, and then you'll have your email address and a PIN code that we assign to you to log into the software. You'll notice you can put your own picture up there. That's back in the day when I had a whole bunch of hair. And so let me walk in. If you have any questions or comments, we basically allow you to access those questions 24/7. So we'll respond to you within 48 to 72 hours. You can post those comments here into their own portal. Okay, and we'll respond back. First, you will sync your phone to the software. So you'll text the code we give you to that number, and then your phone is automatically linked to the software. Next, you will go under keychains, and I don't know if you ever forgot a password to a website before, but you can now have all your passwords saved in one place. You can add as many keychains as your heart desires by putting in the name of the website, URL, username, password, and save it. And then if you click on any of those hyperlinks, it will take you over to how to do various things. We actually have a page in here where we teach you the best keys that you want to have added to your keychain. Okay, I'm going to walk you through quickly a career assessment test. This is the first thing that we really try to get them to go through once they get their technology set up, their phone synced, and all those things. So this here is my portal, so it shows you how I did everything here, and then you'll go, and my top 5 majors were accounting, logistics, finance, economics, decision sciences. So I have a degree in accounting. So I will go under the majors, and I will type in accounting. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so once I type in accounting, I can go accounting administrator. Let's go that way. Alright, so if I go that way, it's going to break down all the things that accounting administrators do, their work activities. It breaks down all that good stuff, the education that's necessary for them to become an accounting administrator career. So you'll see that, and it breaks down even more deeper agricultural, business, technology, what have you. It even breaks down the schools. It'll show every school in the United States of America, 730, that speak to that specific major, accounting administrator career. And so if you click on the red, the admissions department will actually start sending your student information from those schools. The skills, it will break down all the necessary skills in order to do that job. So you can go here, you'll see that, you'll see the knowledge that's necessary to do the job, work styles necessary to do the job, work values. It's very, very detailed, and of course everybody wants to know what? How much money. So all that stuff is broken down in that program. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to know more about ACT tests. So in our software, we'll give you registration dates sometime even before the school, late registration dates if you missed that deadline, how much it'll be. It's an extra, I think, $50. You can get that information by talking to the advisor, but we let you know the date so that doesn't happen. If you click on the plus sign, it'll open up a window, and then you can put those scores actually right here in the software. If you go here under colleges, you'll be able to go here and notice that you can add any school into the software that's a four-year university in the United States. I'm going to show you one that is Duke. And so if you go here under Duke, you can go and it'll show you the total cost as a private school. You can click right from our software to go right to their website. If you want to do more research on their university, you can go right down here and it shows you their four-year graduation rate is 87%. I think it's actually 87 to 90% now. It's going up. You can see your ACT test scores in there. And then you can see where the 50% of those that have been admitted into the school are. And so you're about 10 points off. That shows where you really need to make an improvement in your ACT testing score just to get admitted into the school. If you want to find out what kind of degree programs they offer at Duke, you can click in here. It shows you the bachelor's, master's, and doctorate degree or associate's degree for every field of study. That's education, engineering, English, arts, foreign language. So all this stuff is in one place. If you want to find out what kind of criminal history that a college has for every school, you can come out here under campus security, and it will break down if there's any burglaries, motor vehicle theft, what have you. So all that information is built into the software. If you go here under application outline, you can see, just text us over, and I'll show you where to do it. But you can just say turn on the admission guidelines for Duke, or turn on Duke is normally what we have people say. Turn on KU, turn on MU, and then we basically turn these on, and you can actually start filling those, clicking those to let you know yourself know that you've completed those, and all those things correlate over to the calendar. So that's why it was important to set up your phone, because all those things go right in here, ACT testing dates, and then they're all set up where they're going to be text notifying you about the deadline. So you can actually create your own calendar items as well. Put in the title, the date, location if there is one, notes, and then hit text me, and it will remind you not to miss that deadline. That's for scholarships or what have you. So that's a pretty cool feature. The other part here is we actually have where you can upload your recommendation letters, your essays, whatever documents you need to do. Is all cloud-based, so you can get to it from your phone, tablet, Android, computer. And then we actually have all kind of different things that are out here under the file folder that you have access to in our national file folder. I will walk you through just a couple real quick. So let me walk you through one which is called college leveraging. So a lot of people don't know what college leveraging is. Let me walk you through that. So let's say, for example, you have a great student has a good GPA and they apply to a certain school, and then they apply to two or three other ones. The other schools are giving that student more money in college financial aid than the primary school they want to go to. They can actually appeal those award letters by using the award letters from XYZ school, and writing a letter to try to get the other school to give you more money. Okay, so we're going to walk you through. This is a family that the school cost was, and this is again through the NICCP, National Institute of Certified College Planners, where we were members with Ron Thiem. He's an amazing man, and we learned this strategy from him. So we just want to take what we've learned and pass it on to other families. But this here is 56,000 for the student to go to college there. They basically have to come out of their own pocket with 50,000. The family does, and 6,000 is coming from the university. Okay, so what they did was wrote an appeal letter, got the school to consider giving them more money from their endowment because other schools are willing to give the child more money. And so what happened? That $6,000 scholarship, as you can see right here, turned into a $34,000 scholarship. The family had to pay 50 at first. Now their contribution went down to 22,000. So they actually gained additional $34,542, or they gained $34,000 in total scholarships and work study. So that's college leveraging at its best, and that's pretty much what a lot of families don't understand that they can do. So we walk you through that process, and then we also have some other things that I will share with you in some videos. Let me walk you through also the dashboard. Under the dashboard, you'll notice that we have a 10-step college planning system. So under this 10-step college planning system, it's just called our college roadmap. Very happy that we have rolled this out. Many families ask us, hey, can you give us like a step-by-step system of how to make this work? And so we've created that, and here it is. It is walking you through step 1 through 10 of how to best be prepared for college planning. So if you go in here, you'll notice that we show you how to sync your cell phone, set up your calendar, and do your keychain, look at your ACT testing, things that I just kind of walked you through. And then also, you can come out here. We show you how to do the career assessment test like I just got through showing you. And also, we will walk you through how to do your calendar setup. So if you're writing essays, what have you, how to find scholarships, which I will demo that real quick for you. Admissions, how to go through that process. Essay writing, that's very important. We actually have written essay for you. Actually, let me show you real quick. We have people that have written essays in the past, and we have them up in the software, and they're edited, so you can actually see the edits that were done, so you can kind of get a feel for the writing style that you should have. So it's pretty cool to have that, and that's all built in to the files in the software. If you click in here, you'll be able to see that those things are actually in here, where there's sample essays that are there, and you can kind of look at them. Now, we put them in PDF so you don't plagiarize what someone else has already written, but our previous students we actually gave them money as a way of saying thank you for sharing your previous essays that you submitted to help upcoming students in regards to college planning and writing essays. So pretty cool. So then you come down here to step 8. You'll see our building block system, financial aid, understanding college leveraging, which I just kind of went over that with you. And then if you're an athlete, sports recruiting. Okay, so that's that part. And then we do have a community piece. I want to walk you through that real quick on our website. We do have a blog that you can look at, and we put things out there every day, 7 days a week, so you can check those things out. And I do apologize, this video should be done here shortly, but you can actually come out here and you can see different things that we have posted about scholarships that we have learned about from our seminars. Families have told us about different scholarships that are out there, or websites that you can go to. So that's constantly being updated with new content. So stay connected, post comments. We are going to be working with different vendors to give money and rewards to those students that post the greatest comments to help the community. So we want to make sure everybody is kind of connected to each other. So the scholarships, I want to show you two real quick. This here is Raise.me. It's a great source, a resource by Bill and Melinda Gates. They do micro scholarships. It's a great service. We actually have a lot of training information and stuff like that on that scholarship program. And then I want to show you one last thing here, which is one of our students who used, let me go to my keychain actually, FastWeb, which is another great service. So if you don't get set up, at least you learned a couple tips today just from some of those websites I shared with you. But we would love you to be part of our community because we go very, very deep, as you can tell, into the college planning experience. But this student, we showed through our training videos how to find scholarships, and she went out and found matching scholarships. It was 122 total for $724,650 potential value. So we definitely are excited about our program. We believe that we're going deeper and finding everything that's out there on an ongoing basis that can help benefit the students in regards to college planning, finding scholarships, and taking advantage of every opportunity available. Love to see you guys part of the College Coaching Network family. Again, that's a $75 investment that will cover 5 users. That could be 2 of your children, 1 of your children, and 4 people that you know that have children, what have you. But we definitely want to see you guys involved in the program if that's something you want to do. Have a great day.